Alright guys, I'm out here at the Palms of Venetian Bay, and I want to kind of like do a thing where I show different lots before they're sold. This is lot 33, and we'll give you a couple different ideas from a real estate agent's point of view of why you should buy a particular lot. This lot here is actually a $5,000 premium, that's it. Some of these lots in this subdivision are $25,000. But I want to show you why I think it would be a great idea for this particular lot. You're looking down the long part of the lake. If you notice, the entire backyard is going to be lake, and you're at the longest part of it, which that gives you a lot of value for only $5,000 extra. There's going to be a fountain or two in there. It's going to look fantastic. And this is the lot, 33, lot 33. Say that Rick Ho sent you, and we'll get you in here right away. Just go out to the clubhouse.